Welcome back to Studio 701.
Whether you're looking to start a business or buy a home, you always want to find the right lender for you.
Shalee Huntley and Steve Zotnick join us now about Bravera Business Lending. Thanks so much for being here, guys.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for being here. So we want to talk about what makes Bravera different from other lenders. There are many options, always good to do some shopping around, but tell us about Bravera. What makes Bravera stand out for lending? Steve? Let's start with you.
Yeah, a lot of banks are out there, so certainly it is something that's important that you choose one that fits you. I think where our strengths come is, we really do have local decision making when it comes to approving loans and that kind of thing. We're regionally focused, and so the people that are making those decisions are in this market as well, and so that helps with knowing the market, knowing the region, and making those decisions. And then
I'll add that Bravera is employee and director owned, so every employee has the opportunity to become an owner. We really feel like that gives our employees a sense of pride. It makes us more innovative, collaborative, responsive to our customers.
Yeah, and so guys, let's say I'm a person I'm starting a business here and I'm fresh out the box. What kind of information do I need to bring to you guys to find out the correct loan situation?
Sure. We like to see at least a couple years of personal tax returns. We like a personal financial statement, so your personal balance sheet. Projections are really important. Your projected income, any expenses, and then the why behind those numbers is really important. How you think you're going to meet those goals. Do you have anything to add? Or?
No, I think you covered it pretty well. I think a lot of times, the immediate thought is, okay, I'm going to start a business. I need to go to a bank, but there's other things you need to do before that. It can be discouraging going to the bank if you're not prepared. So,
if you're not ready to have that. So what types of business services do you offer?
So we offer commercial loans, so that can be lines of credit, can be real estate loans, construction loans. We've got several business deposit accounts that we help with there, and then we do have a digital banking team that kind of focuses on our cash management. I don't know if you want to touch on.
Yep. So we've got digital success managers. They help you with your online banking, invoicing, if you want to accept credit cards at your business. Remote deposit, if you've got a lot of checks you need to deposit in there. They're right downtown with us as well too. And then we also are able to refer you to insurance and wealth advisors. You need business insurance as well too, and maybe retirement for your employees.
All things that you might not think about, especially if this is your first business or you're starting a new venture. I just think this must be so exciting, getting to talk with people who are super passionate, excited about maybe starting a new business. What other advice might you have for them before they set up that meeting with you? Steve?
Yeah, I mean, I think a big thing is making sure you're taking care of your personal credit. That's as important as the business credit. That kind of gives us a leap into, or a vision into how you kind of manage your individual expenses and the way you pay bills. But yeah, it's really just making sure you're prepared and having those projections, and a lot of times it takes some cash or some equity to get things started, and so having that stuff figured out beforehand is important.
Shalee, anything to add?
No, I think he covered it. Yeah, just there's a lot of resources out there, internet and locally as well too, just to help you get that business plan in place. And we're always here to point you in other directions as well too.
That's right.
And can you talk with us about once a business is launched and what that relationship is like with you guys as far as kind of following through and making sure everything is, all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted throughout that business? What's that like?
So depending on, what type of, maybe if we have a credit relationship with them, we may request annual financial statements. We really look to be advisors of our clients. So we take a look at their numbers, dig in, ask questions, how did this happen or what does this mean? Just to get them really think about what's going on in their business as well too. And then to look at, what other services do you think could make your business more operate more efficiently?
Yeah, I think it's an open line of communication too, as you build that relationship. Make sure you're sharing things with your banker too, so there's no surprises there. So.
Right. Get to know Steve and Shalee. They have a lot of great advice for us all. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thanks for
Thanks for having
us.
us.
And for more information, call Shalee Huntley at 221-4724 or Steve Zotnick at 221-4778. You can also call a lender or visit bravera.bank/business.